Now the next generation of GLP-1 is here. Move-aside injections, the first ever GLP-1 oral pill just got FDA approval. And this is a big deal because till now, if you wanted the powerful GLP-1 weight loss drug, you needed a needle. But not anymore. The US FDA has cleared a daily pill version of Wegovy made by Novo Nordisk. The same drug, remember, that has the active ingredient of semaglutide, just without the injection this time. So what does it actually mean for you and how effective are they? So far, GLP-1 drugs like Wegovy, Ozempic have been weekly injections. This new pill does the same job, basically curbing appetite. Clinical data show that the pill works well, though injections still lead to slightly more weight loss. GLP-1 injections are already hugely popular here. In fact, Mounjaro, made by Eli Lilly, is already amongst the highest selling drugs globally, and the demand in India has been strong ever since the launch. Its 2026 will be dominated by more weight loss pills. Competition there is heating up. Eli Lilly is working on its own GLP-1 weight loss pill. More pills are in the pipeline, usually means competition and eventually pressure on prices. So what does it mean for you and I? Well, weight loss treatment is moving beyond injection. Pills are coming, but these are not lifestyle shortcuts or cosmetic fixes. Cannot underline this enough. Let me say it again. These are not lifestyle shortcuts or cosmetic fixes. They are powerful medical drugs that need long-term use, medical supervision, and responsible prescribing. For India, the real question isn't just when the pill arrives. Will it reach those who need it the most, or will it land up with all the wrong people for all the wrong reasons?